Serving number 1, Emo. And it is not over. Point for Team Paradise. Still serving. What a fight, and another ball stays in that team. Score is 1-all. Serving our team. Team CBA. Score is 1-all. Now serving Mark, number 10.
What? You are correcting it.
Set to open. And point goes to Team Paradise. Serving number 9. And the chance ball for Team CBA. World gets it up. Set it to Bison. Another set going to Andre. Drop ball. Chance ball for Team Paradise. That gets blocked. Goes out. Point for Team Paradise. This fight for Frank. And point goes to Team CBA. Team CM. And another point goes to Team CM.
Check ka dun sa kabila.
Now serving jersey number 10. 9-0.
Kasi tuloy under 21 na lang.
Now serving Kuya Andrew. Now serving jersey number 7.
We're all Filipinos, right? Serving by number 5. Receive by Christoph. Set by Alon. Alon, there you go.
Point by Paradigm. Now serving number 2. Nice service. Received by nice man. Okay. Point by Paradigm. Service is 5 points. Ano ba ang service by number 2? Nice service. Received by Kuya. Then Kuya Mark. Pass girl. Come on, Bella. Now serving number 18.
From the screen to the ring to the
Spike number stop. Inside. Now serving. Nice service. Received by Guy. Set the mark. A time in rock. Oh! Now serving. Mark. 28. Bang. Service and received by Kuya. Spike. Saga. Set the mark. Ayusin. Okay. Ayusin.
Now serving Italy.
Receive. Set the mark. Papalot din. Ayusin. Boom. Tingnan niyo yung isa. Set the one. Eh, tuloy natin. Third. Now serving. Mark. Now service. Hey! Received by Kuya. Set by the one. Papalo ni Christoph. Kinuha ni Kyle. Set ni Brown. Inover. Kuha ni Duwan. Next time. Point by CL. Now serving. Set ni the house. Back pala. Set ni Mark. Papalo si Brock. Bam! Point by CL. Now serving number 10, Mark Bacena. Set by the one. Papalo si Christoph. Kinuha ni Mark. Set ni Kino takes it. Kyle receives. Mark sets. Mikey by. Kita tahu. My Paradigm. Tama, subbing out for Rock Lerner. Now serving Mark, number 10. Nice service. Received by Kuya. Set by the one. Spike by Kuya. Set up. Set in the one. Pick up Spike. Stop. Set again. Spike by up. Stop. Something happened. And it's next by CM. Okay, service by the one from Middlesex. Hey. Mario receives. Set by Mark. Patalo si Andre. Out. Point by Paradigm. Come on, give me time. Arnold, take the ball. Overtime. Set. Set. Received by Brown, set by Mark. Fighting back! Nice service. Received by Storm. Set by Gawan. Papalo. Round. Inside. Now serving. Serving round. Set by Mark. Right back.
And you're back. Serving. Mark gets it up. Over. Right back. Quick attack. Does not go over. Point goes to Team CBA. Team CL, sorry. Getting mixed up with it. And it's set to open. And the ball goes inside. Score now is 14-15 in favor of Team Paradise. Serving number 7, Crystal. And it's outside. Serving number 5, James. And it's sent to the opposite. And the ball goes up. Point 2-2. Team Paradise. Serving number 2, Rod. Ball goes up. Mark sets it to Earl. And it is inside. What a ball. Serving number 18, Kyle. And it is inside. Score for Team CL. Serving once again, Kyle, number 18. What a point by Team CL. Serving. One more time. Kyle Powell, jersey number 18. Ball goes up to the open spiker. And it does not go over. Another point for Team CL. What a serve. And it is net from number 10. Point your Team Paradise. Needing a 2-point lead 3-all to Team CL. Mark sets it up. Chance ball for Team Paradigm. Open. Two grabs. Drop ball. Up. And that is lifting. What? Serving number 28. Serve opposite. And it is inside. Will Paradigm break this 2-point distance? Serving number 1. Ball goes up, set to middle, and it is inside. What a point by Frank. Now serving, jersey number 10. Ball goes up, set to open. Ball goes. And it is drop ball. Inside. Serving. Number 9. Score is all 21. Serving number 9. Ball goes up. Mark sets it to Baisu. Ball stays up to Kristoff. Mark sets it to Andre. Still in play. Chance ball for Paradigm. One hand set, drop ball. Mark set it to Frank. Drop ball. And the score goes to Team CL. Score now is 22-21. And it is service error. Serving round number 14. Ball goes up. Mark sets it to Andre. And it is not over. Warning. Time out for both teams. Continuing the ball game, serving round number 14. Point goes up. And Kyle. Back ball. Back ball. Point for Team CL. Now both in order. Serving number 20. Ball goes up. Sets to open. Over. Sets to side. Drop ball and the point goes to Team CL. Now at 10 Ball goes up. Number 9 sets it to Kristoff. Ball stays up. Meister sets it to Kyle. And it is a challenge ball. And a point. Deuce. Wow. What a drop ball that was by Team Paradise. Serving, Kristoff, number 7. Frank receive. Mark sets it up to Merle. Drop ball. And it is inside. And it is inside, called by the referee. Referee's call. Please respect the referee's call. Serving, jersey number 5, now at set point. And it is outside. Score is 25-all, continuing to deuce. Serving, Brian, number 2. Nice service. Frank gives it to Mark to Kyle. Drop ball. Sets to open. Drop ball. Mark sets it up to Earl. And it touches the room. And that is a point for Team CN. Now at set point once again. Jersey number 18. Serving. Out once again for both teams. Alright. And we're waiting for the referee's call. JC, we are back in the ball game. Serving number 18. And the game still continues. Mark sets it up for Frank. And net. Set 1 goes to DBL. Let us switch sides. Continuing to set 2. And Paradise make a comeback. Hi, Leora. Go 5. Oh, go 5. Let us continue to the second set. Serving number 7, Kristoff. Never mind, CL will start the service. Alright. Serving number 28. service. Sets it up. And the point goes to Team Paradise. Serving round number 2. Ball goes up. Mark sets it up for Andre. And it is inside. Serving number 10. What a point on Team Paradise. And the point goes to Team Paradise once again. Ball stays up, Frank. Drop ball. Frank gets it up. Mark sets it up for Andre. And it goes foul right through the block. The score is 3-2, man. Serving. Frank. Nice service, sets it up for Ralph. Drop ball. Mark sets it up for EJ. Drop ball. Mark sets it to Visus. The ball is still in the air. Drop ball. What a rally. Number 9 sets. Over. Drop ball. Set the Visus. Drop ball. And it is inside. Point for Team CL. Still serving, Frank. Paging Johan. Paging Johan, please proceed. Andre, where's Johan? Johan. Call Johan here to the stage. Serving. Sorry. Serving. Serving, number 1. And it is inside. Serving, jersey number 28. And the point goes to Team CL. Still serving, jersey number 28. Number 9, quick set around. Mark sets it open for Earl. And in the point. For Team CL. Nice receive, nice set, nice shot. by Team Paradise. Score is now 5-6, still in favor of CL. Serving jersey number 9. Mark sets it to EJ. And another point, CL. Serving jersey number 5.
Guys, we need to cheer for CL.
Nice service.
The Paradigm House will make cheers and we're excited now.
And there's some miscommunication.
You're in front of the camera, man.
Next game ready. ABC versus TVA. Under 21. Receive error for Paradigm. Another point for Team CL. Nice service. Set to the open. Drop ball. Mark sets it to Merles. What a line ball. That is inside. Serving. Sale jersey number 5. Set to the open, drop ball. Let me mark EJ. And it is outside. Point for Team Paradigm. Serving. Jersey number 14, Rock. Nice service. Service. From Team Paradigm. Still serving, jersey number 14. Nice service! But the ball is still in play. Ball still goes up to Maros. What a rally. One more from Maros. Drop ball. Set to Bryle. Drop ball. And the point goes. Team Paradigm once again. Paradigm is slowly making its way back. What a serve. The ball goes up. Frank sets it to Merles. It is a chance ball for Team Paradigm. And some miscommunication. Point goal for Team CL. Score is now 8-11 in favor of Team. Serving number 13. Number 13. Jersey number 9 set to the Kristoff. The Frank. Joust. And point. Score is now 12-8 in favor of Team. Yeah. Service. Ready next game? Team ABC and CBA under 21. And it is outside. Score for Team Paradigm. Scoring now. Serving now, jersey number 7, Kristoff. What a serve. Mark puts it up, but it hits the field. Score now 10-13. Serving once again, using number 7. Merrill sets it up to Frank. Chance ball. Carl puts it up to the center and it is outside. So now 10-14, serving jersey number 28, Carlos. Nice service. Christoph gets it up. Perino. But the rally comes to an end. The ball does not go over, and it is sent for TCL. Nice service. Drop ball. Mark sets it up for Frank. What a shot by Frank. Score is now 10-16 in favor of TCL. Outside. Nice receive. The open. And it is outside. It is now 10-18. And the point goes to Team Paradise. Now serving, Ryan. Number 2. Set it up for Mark. Over. Andre. Quick attack. And it is inside. Point for Team Paradise. Mark sets up for Frank. But it is... Point goes to Team Paradise. Score is now 13-8. Nice service. Let's receive. Over. Chance ball for Team Paradise. Let's open. But it is not go over. Serving, jersey number 10. Back set. Welcome. Set to Andre. Nice cover to Frank. Over. From Andre. Open drop ball. Mark gets it out, but it is outside. The score now is 19-14. What a libero save by Andre. Serving, jersey number 12. Nice service. Mark sets it up for Frank. Does not go over. Score is now 15-19. In Paradise, slowly making the comeback. And the ball does not go over. CL reaches the 20-point mark. Now serving Frank. One gets the ball up for Ralph. And it is a point for Team Paradise. Serving Nino Maduro. Nice service. Mark sets up for Visus. Drop ball. But it is inside. Score is now 17-20 in favor of Team CL. Service. Kyle, drop ball. Eno gets it up. Over by Storm. Mark sets it up for Visus. And it is a check. No check. Outside. Point for Team. Is it outside or a check? Check. It is a check. And it is a point for Team Paradise. The score is now, I think, 21-17. What a spike by Crystal. Bringing back the momentum. Serving, jersey number 9. Mark sets it up once again for Visus. Drop ball. One gets it up. To Brian. And it is another point for Team Paradise. Once again, using number 9. Frank picks it up. Frank sets it to Kyle. Kyle drops. Frank sets it up to Merles. Drop ball once again. And it is inside. Score now is 22-19 favor of Team CL. Serving. Jersey number 5, James. And it is a service error. Score is now 22-20 in favor of Team Paradise. Serving number 14, Rob. Mark sets it up for Kyle. Drop ball. Continues. Frank sets it up for Earl. And it is inside. We are now at warning for Team CL. Serving jersey number 18, Kyle Lasal. Nice service, nice receive, back set, and there it goes to Team Paradise. Serving now, Tristan, jersey number 7. Mark sets the ball up for Frank. What is set? Drop ball. Mark sets it back over for Kyle, but it is outside. Outside. Referee call. Point for Team Paradise. We are now calling a timeout for both teams. Next game, ABC versus CBA under 21. Please be ready. Serving, jersey number 7. Nice service. Nice set to Frank. Drop ball. One more to Frank. And it is a point for Team Paradise. The score is now 23 all. Still serving, jersey number 7, Crystal. Nice service. Over, nice back. Number 9 gets the ball up for Brian. Drop ball. Mark sets it up for Frank. We are now at match point. Serving. Jersey number 28. Girls. Ball goes up. Set Lido. Over. And the winner for the second set is Team CL. Please shake hands. Team CBA and ABC, please proceed to the court so we can start the next game. Thank you. Repeat. Team CBA and ABC, please proceed to the court so we can start the next game. Maybe have a different referee. Mark, can you referee?